Welcome to my latest decor ideas YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss the latest design of steel main gates. Steel main gates have long been admired for their timeless elegance and robust durability. These gates are not just a symbol of security, they are a statement of style. The versatility of steel allows for intricate designs from graceful scrolls to minimalist lines. Whether your home follows a modern, traditional, or even an industrial theme, steel main gates can be tailored to complement your architecture, enhancing your curb appeal while standing the test of time. When it comes to security, steel main gates are unparalleled. They are a strong deterrent against unauthorized access, providing peace of mind to homeowners. The solidity of steel, paired with reliable locking mechanisms, ensures that your property remains safe and sound. Beyond security, steel gates are built to withstand the harshest weather conditions, making them an excellent choice for both residential and commercial properties. The beauty of steel main gates lies in their ability to be customized to reflect your unique tastes and preferences. Whether you are looking for a grand entrance with intricate details or a simple modern design, steel gates can be crafted to match your vision. Additionally, they can be powder coated in a variety of colors, allowing you to harmonize with your home's color schemes or make a bold statement. Steel main gates are known for their low maintenance requirements. They are rust resistant and only require occasional cleaning to maintain their luster. With the proper care, they can last for decades, making them a sound investment for your property, and their enduring appeal means you won't need to worry about frequent replacement or updates. I hope this video will be very helpful for you to select the best main gate design for your home. So please subscribe my latest decor ideas YouTube channel. Thank you.